Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to paraphrase in ChatGPT. If you want to paraphrase text using ChatGPT, first of all, open up the ChatGPT app on your device and log in. Once logged into the account, go ahead and get to the message box at the bottom and type something like, "Please paraphrase this" as a prompt, and then paste your original sentence or paragraph that you'd like to paraphrase. After doing that, you can then go ahead and send the prompt to ChatGPT by tapping the black arrow facing upwards at the bottom right. Now, ChatGPT will respond with a reworded version of your text. You can also ask ChatGPT to paraphrase in a certain tone or style. For example, make this simpler for kids and send in the prompt. And that way, you will be able to see you have successfully paraphrased in ChatGPT. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.